The trick with intensive gardening and broadcast seeding is to harvest every single day. You have to take those old plants out to make room for the new ones that are just sprouting. So what I need to harvest today is a whole bunch of radishes. I need to pull out quite a bit of the sorrel and feed it to the goats. You can see that I have peas on. Can you see that I have peas on? See the peas? Okay. I have already intensively harvested this space. I took out a whole grocery bag full of greens. This is actually ready to harvest again. I have cabbages, kohlrabi, bok choy, tot soy, all in there. And then back here, I am constantly coming through and pulling out my comfrey because I have other comfrey underneath that wants to come through. And other herbs and things. So what I'm doing is pulling this out and laying it down to be a mulch for the greenhouse. So in here, see that? That's valerian. So I'm going to come in here and pull a little bit of the comfrey out. Just because I know what I have in here and I know that I really want it to survive. And without a little bit more sunshine, it's not gonna. See that? That's a butter burr. And you can see I have others coming up, more comfrey. So it will not hurt this at all for me to just come through and pull a little bit of it out. See? Happier. So in this box I have way too many stuff, way too many plants. I have borage, sorrel, and burdock. I already took the self-heal out because it couldn't breathe. Here's lemon balm, mullein, parsley, kohlrabi, strawberry. I think this is astragalus, which is super, super exciting. Camas, self-heal. Self-heal, anemone, cold hardy kiwi, again butter burr, strawberry, kohlrabi, chives, spinach, and cabbages. So that's pretty exciting. So I'm going to take some of these guys, lay them down here as a mulch. I can smell my holy basil. Smells so good. I need to order some more. I love the Tulsi Kapoor. So there we go. It looks like she is still maybe alive. Okay, so I need to water these guys and then I need to go in. I have an interview with Natalie Redding today and I'm fangirling so hard that I think I'm going to barf. So there we go. I need to get this one started. I'm waiting for everything to settle. I don't want all my precious peat moss to just fall right through the spaces between the mulch. So I'm letting it settle,